Hello and welcome back to our channel where we explore the world of agriculture and farming. In today's video, we are going to learn and know about local food system. It is a growing movement that's changing the way we think about food. A local food system is a way of producing and distributing food that focuses on small-scale farmers and producers and emphasizes the importance of buying and eating locally grown food. This can help to support local economies, reduce the environmental impact of food production, and improve the quality and taste of the food we eat. One of the main advantages of the local food system is that they can help to create a more sustainable food system by buying food from local farmers and producers. We can reduce the environmental impact of transportation and support for the more sustainable farming practices. The local food system also helps to build stronger community. By buying food directly from farmers and producers, we can build relationships and support local businesses. This can create a sense of community and help to strengthen the local economies. And another advantage of local food systems is that they often lead to higher quality and more nutritious food. Since local farmers and producers often use more sustainable and traditional farming methods, the food can be fresher and more flavorful with higher nutrient content. However, there are also some challenges to the local food systems. One of the biggest challenges is the need for infrastructure and distribution systems to connect farmers and producers with the consumers. This can be difficult in areas where there are a few farmers' markets or other local food outlets. In conclusion, local food systems are a growing movement that can help to create a more sustainable and resilient food systems. By supporting local farmers and producers, we can build stronger communities, reduce the environmental impact of food production, and enjoy higher quality and more nutritious food. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the more interesting videos on agriculture sector. See you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.